let me go ahead and show you how to create more like a fireball type of orb. I'm going to make a new layer and just call this fireball. And then what I'll do for the fire, you'll want to start with the red as the base, something like this. And then I'll make this large or larger. And then I'll click, okay. And then what I'll do is, I'm going to try to do that again. There we go. And then what I can do is move this to the orange. And let's get a little bit of orange, a little brighter orange in there. Turn down the diameter. And then what I'll do is move that more to the yellow. That looks good right there. And I'll go ahead and zoom into that. Then let's select the smudge tool. And let's come in here and create these little flames. And I'll select the eraser and just trim up a little bit. There's also something else I want to show you. I'll move this down a little bit. If you select a really big smudge tool, brush size, something like this, you could pull the whole flame, you can pull the whole flame up. Then after we have this, what we can do is add some of the particles on the tail of the fire. So I can select the brush tool and make the master diameter smaller. And yellow, we'll try yellow for now, but let me go ahead and make this a little bit larger. If I scroll all the way down, you'll find the scattered brush that we've created at the very bottom. And then I'll lower the opacity of that layer. And I can create some more over here. And I'll select the eraser tool. There we go, something like that.